the cortical cells, central cells, and the coronary cells. Here you can see these are the coronary cells. Here you can see the both reproductive organs form side by side from a nodal initial at the node. This is internodal portion. This is also internodal portion. That is this, and this one is the nodal portion. So globule is below and nocule is at the above portion. Now we will discuss the development of female part, that how female part develop. This is the complete development of female reproductive organ, that we call nocule. The development of nocule also start from the nodal initial that was developed near globule. This here you can see, in fact here is one cell, then it divide by successive division, first division, then second division, and change into three cells. From these three cells, the uppermost cell is more active, and this single cell will help in formation of this structure. So how it help? We separate it. This is the single cell. Because it will help in formation of nocule, so we called it as nocule initial. It will undergo first division, transfer division is against the right angle, first transfer division, then two cells will form, then second transfer division will take place, then three cells will form. The uppermost cell is called oogonial cells, the lowermost cell is called stalk cell, and the middle cell is called nodal cell. This upper oogonial cell will reform into oogonium. The lower stalk cell will form the basal pedicel portion, and the middle nodal cell will form these three cells. You can see sheath cell. If we look at sheath cells, the sheath cell will undergo further successive division. They will form five cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see these five cells will again undergo successive division and will form other five cells. So after two divisions, two tiers of cells are formed, and each tier or each layer contain five cells. Here you can see the uppermost cells act as corona cells, and the lower cells act as tube cells. These corona cells will help in formation of this corona, you can see, and these tube cells will help in formation of these cells. You can see spiral. These are spiral cells or strips to protect the internal egg. So I again repeat it. This is oogonial cell, which will help in formation of oogonium. Oogonium is that structure which bear egg, female gametes. The corona cell will form this corona, and tube cell will form these strips. You can see these stalk cells will form this pedicel portion, with which it will attach to the filament of the cara body, which we previously discussed. This one is the inner view of nocule. If we look it at from inner side, here you can see is the nucleus. This nucleus metamorphose, and cytoplasm aggregate around it, and it will change into egg. When this oogonium, reproductive part, or nocule and egg become mature, here is a spot form, or it split from here, and this is called receptive spot, because it will receive the male gametes, which we previously discussed, which will form in the globule. These male gametes will come from this receptive spot and will